पूना में जो घटना हुई वो भी ऐसे ही था।
For the first time since becoming the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi will be visiting Manipur today in his third visit to the state since last year's violence. Congress MP will meet violence-affected people in relief camps. His first stop will be Silchar, and from there he will travel to the Jiribam district, where fresh violence broke out on a month ago. Our colleague Sabyasachi is joining us live on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, since last year, this is the third visit of Rahul Gandhi to Manipur, giving a lot of messages to the people of the state. When will he be reaching? What is the plan for today?
Well, absolutely. See, first of all, he will be reaching to Assam. From there, he would be going to Manipur, to Jiribam, and from there, Churachandpur. See, this visit of Mr. Rahul Gandhi is extremely significant because this would be his third visit to Manipur, and he's expected to visit 4 relief camps in Manipur, 2 of Meiteis and 2 of Kukis today. Now, when the parliament was going on, we had seen that how the opposition MPs were sloganeering and asking the central government regarding the Manipur situation. They have been accusing that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has not been speaking on the Manipur issue and not been visiting Manipur. And now, see, after Prime Minister Narendra Modi has made the claim in Rajya Sabha that the situation in Manipur is returning back to normalcy, now this visit of Rahul Gandhi could be seen as a reality check. Because, see, as per the Congress sources, Mr. Rahul Gandhi would be visiting the relief camp as well as will be meeting the governor of Manipur. Now, Mr. Rahul Gandhi would be focusing on the current situation of the Manipur because, see, after a few days, the budget session is going to begin, and this particular demand of the opposition parties regarding a discussion on the Manipur is expected to carry on. So, Mr. Rahul Gandhi time and again have been emphasizing on the fact that Manipur, on the Manipur issue, the government has to be proactive. The government has to make sure that there is no more violence that is taking place in the state of Manipur. So clearly after this visit, Rahul Gandhi is definitely sure to escalate its attack on the central government regarding the Manipur issue, whereas this particular visit of Mr. Rahul Gandhi will be extremely significant as he will be visiting both the shelter homes of Meitei as well as the Kuki community.
Exactly.